Welcome everybody. Today we're at the Saratoga Springs Spa Resort. We're at the Paddock pool. Over there you see you have the Paddock grill. And you have the water slide of the Paddock pool. It's friendly for all ages because the landing zone where you get out is 3 foot, so it's not that deep. The deepest this pool will get will be 3 foot and 6 inches. So this is a more for the children pool. Other Disney pools on property can get up to be 5 foot. Over there, straight ahead, you can see you have the jacuzzi / hot tub. You have your lifeguards sitting around the pool, making sure everyone's safe. And you have the stairs that lead up to the water tower, or where you get on the slide. And you even have a little bridge. So we're gonna head up to the bridge. Once again, you have the lifeguards keeping everybody safe. This is the above view of the slide. For the most part, it's a open slide, not a tube. And then you come back and you go down there. To our right, you have the kiddie area for the smaller children. And as you just saw, you have the barrel that dumps down on you. Unlike other pools,
yeah, you can watch them go down.
Unlike other pools at different Disney resorts, the other pool, some other pools have sprayers that spray water down on you. This one doesn't, but there is a pool here that does. So recorrection to my statement up there. I just saw a 4 foot deep area, still not much taller than the 3.5 foot. But yeah, it's a chill pool. Definitely kid friendly. You have a grill where you can get something to eat. Yeah. So the Paddock pool is kind of fun, family friendly, but yet not deep. So I like it.